number 1, we have 90, 88, 75, 88, 91, 77, 90, 81, 88. We're going to add them. 768. Then count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 divided by 9. Then total 85.33. So our mean is 85.33. In our median, we're going to write them lower to higher. 75, 77, 81, 88, 88, 88, 90, 90, 91. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Our median is 88. In our mode is finding the most have pair 88. So in our number 2, 125, 109, 181, 218, 111, 104, 169. Total them 1017. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 divided by 7. 1017 divided by 7. 145.29. Our mean is 145.29. In our median, we're going to write them lower to higher. 109, 111, 104, 111, 125, 169, 181, 218. Our median is 125. And our mode is no mode.
Go.
Now our number 3, 77, 66, 88, 55, 71, 81, 59, 70, 63, 52. We're going to add them.
Go.
77 plus 66 plus 88 plus 55 plus 71 plus 81 plus 59 plus 70 plus 63 plus 52. 679. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 divided by 10.
Go.
Total is 68.2. In our median, we're going to write them lower to higher. 52,
Go.
52, 55, 59, 63, 70, 71, 77, 81, 88. Our median is 67 and 70. 66 plus 70 to 136. Our median is 68.
Go.
Our median is 68. No mode. No pair. No mode.
Go.
Now our number 4, 125, 3.68, 1.12, 2.51, 5.12, 6.38, 2.11. Add them. Our mean is 3.17. Finding our median. Going to write them lower to higher.
Go.
1.12, 1.25, 2.11, 2.51, 3.68, 5.12, 12.6, our median is 2.51. Our mode is no pair, no mode.
Go.
Now number 5 is 80, 80, 80, 81, 81, 82, 81, 78, 82, 82. 80 plus 80 plus 80 plus 81 plus 81 plus 82 plus 81 plus 78 plus 82 plus 82. 107 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 80.7. Our mode. Ay balik median pala. Median 78, 80, 80, 80, 81, 81, 81, 82, 82.
Go.
Our median is 81.
Go.
Our mode is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Our mode is 80, 81, 82. 80, 81, 82.